Welcome to Synergy, the channel where we explore money, investing, and practical strategies that help you grow wealth step by step, without confusion or unrealistic promises. And if you are ready to take control of your financial future, you are in the right place. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to save, invest, and grow your money smartly, providing practical advice that anyone can follow. Whether starting out or improving habits, many struggle because they earn without knowing how to manage and grow money. This video will break down the exact steps that help you save efficiently, invest wisely, and grow wealth over time. Make sure you stay until the end because each step builds on the previous one, and missing a single step could slow your financial progress. Before we start, take a moment to support Synergy by liking this video, subscribing for more financial guidance, and commenting below, because your engagement allows me to continue creating clear, practical guides like this for you. Managing money smartly is the foundation of financial growth, because earning alone is not enough to secure your future. Smart management involves tracking what you earn, what you spend, and making intentional choices that maximize your resources. Smart management involves tracking what you earn, what you spend, and making intentional choices that maximize your resources. It requires discipline, awareness, and a clear understanding of your financial goals. By focusing on money management, knowing exactly where your money comes from and where it goes is essential to making informed decisions. Start by reviewing all sources of income and categorizing your expenses. Identify fixed costs, variable costs, and discretionary spending to understand patterns and opportunities for savings. Tracking this regularly allows you to find areas where you can cut unnecessary expenses and redirect funds towards savings and investments. Awareness is the first step to smart money growth. A well-planned budget is a powerful tool that ensures your money is allocated effectively. Create categories for savings, investments, essential expenses, and discretionary spending. Your budget should prioritize long-term goals, such as building an emergency fund or investing for growth, without depriving you of necessary comforts. Consistently following a budget builds discipline and reduces financial stress. A smart budget acts as a roadmap, guiding every financial decision toward wealth creation. Saving money consistently, even in small amounts, is the first step toward financial security. The key is to make saving automatic and non-negotiable, treating it as a fixed expense rather than an afterthought. Over time, consistent savings create a fund that can be used for emergencies. It fuels investments that accelerate growth, builds confidence and control, and consistent saving compounds into lasting financial stability. This fund acts as a safety net, preventing the need to take on debt during crises. It provides peace of mind, allowing you to focus on long-term growth strategies without stress. A strong emergency fund is one of the pillars of smart financial management. High-interest debts, such as credit cards and personal loans, can significantly hinder financial growth. Paying off these debts should be a top priority because interest costs quickly eat into your savings and investments. Clear high-interest debt first while paying minimums on the rest. Eliminating debt improves cash flow, reduces financial stress, and allows you to redirect funds into savings and investments. This step is crucial for building a solid financial. Investing is essential for growing wealth beyond what simple saving can achieve. It allows your money to work for you, generating income and compounding over time. Start with beginner-friendly, low-risk options that match your comfort level and financial goals. Understanding investment principles reduces fear and enables better decisions. Smart investing ensures your savings grow steadily, creating financial security and the potential for long-term wealth. Not all investments are created equal, so choosing options that align with your risk tolerance and goals is critical. Diversification helps reduce risk while maximizing growth potential. Consider options like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate, and start with small amounts to gain experience. Research and education are key to making informed investment decisions. Selecting the right investments ensures sustainable growth and minimizes unnecessary losses. Diversifying your income and investments protects your wealth from unexpected changes and market fluctuations. Multiple income streams, such as side businesses, freelance work, or dividends, provide stability and additional opportunities for growth. Similarly,
spreading investments across different asset classes reduces risk while improving returns.
diversification is essential for smart money management, building resilience, and long-term wealth. Regularly tracking your finances ensures that your savings and investments are aligned with your goals. Monitoring income, expenses,
and investment performance helps identify areas for improvement and prevents wasted resources. Simple tools like spreadsheets, apps,
or financial dashboards make tracking easy and effective. Data-driven decisions allow smarter allocations and faster growth. Consistent monitoring keeps you in control of your financial journey. Learning about money is a lifelong process that pays compounding dividends. Understanding budgeting, investing, tax strategies, and personal finance empowers you to make confident decisions. Read books, take online courses, and follow trusted financial experts to expand your knowledge pen. Financial literacy reduces mistakes, expands opportunities, and speeds wealth creation. Education is one of the most valuable investments you can make in yourself. Financial growth is driven by habits, not luck. Consistently saving, investing, and making informed spending choices creates momentum over time. Habits reduce reliance on willpower and make disciplined financial management automatic. Small daily actions accumulate into significant results, creating confidence and stability. Developing smart money habits ensures that your financial growth is sustainable and long-lasting. Saving, investing, and growing your money smartly is entirely achievable when you take consistent, strategic steps. Start by understanding your finances, reducing unnecessary expenses, eliminating high-interest debts, building an emergency fund, and investing wisely. Combine this with diversification, financial education, and strong habits, and you will see steady growth in your wealth. If this video provided value, support From a Synergy by liking, subscribing, and commenting below with your top financial goals. Because taking action today sets the foundation for a secure and prosperous future. Smart money management is not just a skill, it's the path to freedom and opportunity.